prediction for this year is short. I say this year will be the year of the father, where the father rises up, takes the role that was designed to the father, protecting the family, even though I know all the difficulties they face with the systems in place to destroy them in every single avenue. I'm going to give an update on the comet. I basically left off this image here with this distortion, what I titled in the other video, chunk breaking off, or possibly tag along, until we get the better, more images, hopefully from the Webb telescope, which promised us before launch that they were going to study comets, and this would be a great candidate for them to show us their magic and what they promised the public, that they were going to go image a comet. And this would be great because it's in the neighborhood. The reason this comet here is getting the attention is because it's between the orbit of Mars and Earth. Anything between like Venus and Earth in that neighborhood definitely deserves our attention, because with comets you never know what they're gonna do. They can have a breakup, they can have a outburst, they can have electrical exchange. You never know. Each one is different, like this one. So this is where basically where I left off, until we get some more false color images and better images, hopefully from NASA and JPL and others. We won't get the full picture on what's truly happening until they provide us more information. On December 25th, we got this image from Paul from Facebook, Comet Observations. And in here, it shows the tail, the ion tail breaking, distorted, kind of like breaking apart. And if you look closely here, you can see the some sort of solar impact on the comet. We'd had this before. This happened before with Comet Inky in 2007. Where the solar winds, watch, just rips the tail away. Also, this happened with Comet Lemon back in 2012, F6, where the solar winds disattach the tail. On December 25th, we had a lot of solar activity from the sun. This chart here, provided by World News Report, I credit him for it. This website here, Suspicious Observer, which I check out every day. He had back in Christmas.
We will continue out to the right, ahead of Earth's orbit by a good way. Ejected several plasma jets, but has done so out to the right, ahead of Earth's orbit by a good way.
The information he provides on December 25th, a lot of solar activity. If you're looking at the sun straight up, straight to the right, and to the northern hemisphere, the northern part of the sun, that's where you had all those M-class activity, most of them. So that's basically in the neighborhood where the comet is located. Are they having interaction? But I've prior comets from the past that I covered, so many. V1 back in 2001 interacted with the sun. And I'll try to dig up some of the videos that I do still have in my possession from my library. I used to have a library that had more information, but it was destroyed. Is there a connection? Anytime a comet is close by, you never know. We had two comets that interacted electrically with Mars back in 2014, Comet Ison, and then you had Comet Spring. But anytime there's a comet close by, you just don't know. That's why it's a good idea. Keep an eye on it. And we are having a lot of observations. This is the current orbit. Here's Earth and here's Sun. So it's on the right side where Comet 22E3 is at, and that's basically where we're having a solar activity on the northern part of the sun in that basic vicinity. Now, according to this, its Earth distance is 1.011 AUs, which is 94 million miles rounded off from Earth. Still pretty ways off, but it's coming down slowly. The latest solution update, looking at this, that was updated on December 31st, and now the observation number is up to 3,356. This information here, the Earth MOID distance, now it's been adjusted to 0.221336 AUs, which is approximately 20,574,466 million miles away. So it's gone further away from the Earth, according to this. They're still at the minimum normal distance, 0.28390 from Earth on February 1st. Back in May, it was at 1.17, so dramatic adjustment, to say the least. Now, this image here, dated December 26th, that's probably when he posted it, shows, if you look at it, it shows, and you can see the tail being distorted, the ion tail, as the solar winds impacted the comet. Sudden brightness. It'd be nice the Webb telescope show us an image of the comet close up to see if it has a magnetic barrier, also if it has any magnetic properties to it. Until next time, and continue this, because this is my passion.